Depart to leave a place, especially to start a journey. 离开出发.
Schedule, a plan that lists when events or activities will happen. 時刻表.
Miss, to fail to catch, reach, or be present at something.
错过.
Platform, the area in a train station where you get on or off the train. 月台. Platform, the area at a station where passengers get on and off. 月台.
Crowd, a large group of people. 聚集的人群.
In advance, before something happens. 之前.
Machine, a device with moving parts that does a particular job. 机器.
Alternative, another option or choice. 替代方案.
Twice as long, double the time. 2倍的时间.
Tip, helpful advice or suggestion. 小建议.
Driver, the person who drives a vehicle. 驾驶员.